Welcome to ABP Live Auto Awards 2025. We have one of the winners with us today for the Supercar of the Year, Aston Martin Vantage. So first of all, congratulations for the award.
Thank you so much.
Are you an autonaut, and if yes, what makes you an autonaut?
Well, yes, I definitely am an autonaut. Have more than about 15 years of experience in the automobile industry. So, right from the childhood, I was absolutely passionate about the cars. And yeah, so into the right industry.
So basically, passion makes you an autonaut.
Absolutely.
Okay. So your car has won the Supercar of the Year award. How does Aston Martin becomes a supercar? What is that feature that nobody else has?
It is a perfect blend of power and luxury along with the innovation.
Okay, talking about Indian market, Indian roads, are you designing some special elements for the Indian roads, Indian consumer? How do you keep the Indian consumer in mind while designing the car or putting it on the roads?
See, the best part about us is we don't have to design the car. It's a bespoke product, so the customer designs their car on themselves. So, each car can be customized as per the choice and requirements of the car. So that's the best part about it.
When we talk about Indian markets is moving rapidly towards hybrid and electric vehicles as well. So do you have any set roadmap for the company for the coming years, for the future tech and sustainability?
Not in a very near future, because we are more of the purest brands and want to keep the ICE engines running as long as possible.
Well, thank you so much. Rightly said, and congratulations once again.